answers. I asked Ma'am Louise if meron kayong copy ng mga questionnaires. Ask ko lang, meron nga po ba? Sabi niya meron daw po eh. Meron ba? Okay. So ganito yung gagawin natin, no? In the interest of time, since we have 3 sets of exam, what we're going to do is, I will present the questions ng exam and then highlighted na po yung mga answers. Can you please type in the chat box kung ano yung specific number that, kumbaga, curious kayo ba't yun yung answer or kind of unclear sa inyo kung bakit. Is it okay with you if ganun yung ating scheme of rationalization? Okay sa inyo yon? To make this, kumbaga, mas madali, no? Total naman kasi, meron kayong copy ng notes, meron kayong reference to check kung ba't yun yung answer, pero baka kasi may mga items kayo na malabo pa rin sa inyo. Bakit yun yung mga naging answers? Okay? Sige. Start tayo. Bali sa exam part 1 muna tayo. Confirm lang po if nakikita po yung naka-present. Ayan. Okay, so start tayo. So this is pharmacology part 1. And then, bali naka-highlight na po sa color yellow yung mga answer key natin. From items 1 to 7, in the event that you have concerns with the answers, please type the question number para maano natin. Ayan. If none naman, if clear yung mga answers, sa number 1 ang answer letter A, number 2, we have letter B, pharmacodynamics, number 3, not found in the cell membrane, so we have letter C, that is 2 and then 4, kasi parehas po sila ng category which is type 4 receptors. Tapos sa number 4, ang agonist ay affinity plus IA, na-discuss natin yan. Ang number 5, ang answer ay mannitol kasi anong classification ng mannitol? Specific or non-specific MOA? Specific or none? That is non-specific, di ba? Specifically, non-specific kasi physical interaction siya, no? Physical interaction. Wait lang, no? Number 2, number 2 agad mali ako, no? So number 2, it should be pharmacokinetics. Ayan. So in case ire-report ko, kailangan ko ng pen, ire-report ko sa teacher, yung assigned teacher or kahit kay Ma'am Luis na lang, no? Yung correction para in case nag-grades consultation na ba kayo o hindi pa sa pharmacology? Nag-grades consultation na ba kayo? Not yet. So, ire-relay ko na lang kay Ma'am Luis ito. Naka-note naman sa akin. So, ang answer natin sa number 2 is letter A. Mali ako na na-highlight, no? Kasi pag fate in disposition, that is the adme. Clear? Okay na po yung number 2? Okay na, guys? Ayan. Next, what items pa po ang concern? If none na, siguro para mas alam ko, you can type none in the chat box so that we can proceed to the next set of items. Okay na po, yung first 7 items. Ayan. Next. Number 8, nakalagay a type of antagonism in which the bonding existing between the receptor and ligand is non-covalent or reversible. Yan, tama. Yan, no? Number 9, higher index implies that the drug requires therapeutic monitoring. Ang ibig sabihin ng number 9, everyone, if your TI is high, you have to monitor that. Mali yun, no? Kasi kapag mataas ang therapeutic index, safe yun, so no need to monitor. Ayan. Number 10, letter D ang answer. Kasi ang tinatanong ay does not facilitate. The rest facilitate chemical antagonism or chemical interaction. And then, number 11, the answer is letter C. Can you please react virtually if agree kayo na C yung answer sa 11? Ayan, so okay na yan. Next, any violent reactions from 12 to 16? No, 12 to 17. Any violent reactions? Please type in the chat box the specific item na question kung bakit. So if none, you may react virtually. Heart like if pwede na mag-proceed sa next set of items. Okay. Next, 18 to 23. 18 to 23. Okay lang ba yung ganito, guys? Okay lang sa inyo yung ganitong pag-reveal ng answers natin? Yan. May specific item ba tayong need i-emphasize? If none, react heart ulit if okay na. (24 to 30). 31. 24 to 31. So, pwede na pong mag-react ng heart if pwede tayo mag-proceed sa next. Just to be clear and for the record, no, kumusta? Nag-reflect ba sa discussion yung questions? Na-tap ba sa mga diniscuss natin? Na ano, mga lectures at saka yung mga questions? Ayan. So next, 32 to 38. Please type sa chat box yung specific number if may concern po kayo and then explain natin. Galing nyo naman, lahat clear? Clear to sa inyo? Ha? Clear? So you may react again, heart, if pwede na po sa next items. Next, 39 to 45. React po kayo ulit ng heart if okay na. Okay na po. Next, 46 to 50. 46 to 50. Meron bang concern item? 47. Okay. So sa 47, since not yung question, okay. So ang correction dito, ang answer ay propranolol, no? Propranolol. So note natin, number 47, answer must be letter A. Yan, the correct answer is letter A. Don't worry, this will be endorsed. And then, ma-update na lang siya dun sa scores ninyo. Okay? What else po? If none, you may again react heart. Okay, next. 51. Ang 51, B ang answer. So 51 to 58, please check. Ayan. 49, may nag-ask ng 49. Let's see. 49, letter A ang answer, no? Unstable is a different type of angina. Hindi siya under ng Prince metal, no? It's a different type of angina. So it has to be Prince metal only. Yun. So letter A really is the answer for number 49. And then next, 51 to 58. Yan. So react kayo ng heart if okay na rin. Yan. Next, 59 to 63. Ang 64 ang answer ay C. No? 64 answer is C. But from 59 to 63, here are the answers. Okay na po? Please react heart if okay na. Next, 65 to 70. Done? Okay. Next, 71 to 76. Okay, next. 77 to 80. Number 79. Oxazepam. Ang oxazepam, actually, no, hindi ko pala to nabanggit nung lecture, so I'll just put it as bonus. Pero sa notes ninyo, kasi ano to, conflicting information sa mga libro. Doon sa notes natin, na-lifted ko, I think, kay Lippincott, or nakalimutan ko nung textbook, no, oxazepam is a short-acting barbiturate. Short-acting benzodiazepine, sorry. Now, may I confirm if sa lecture notes nyo ay short-acting siya? Confirm ko? If yun yung nasa notes? Okay. Pero, sa ibang libro kasi, it's an intermediate acting. Kaya, let's put it this way for number 79. For those who answered B, on my end kasi yon sa notes niyo, it's letter B. Yun yung answer, pwede. O kaya, sa mga nagsagot ng C, pwede din. B or C yung i-endorse ko, no, na correction. Now, siyempre may magtatanong, sir, ano pong ipaprioritize namin isagot? Mas updated yung intermediate acting. No, mas updated siya. So for the record, next time, if you encounter this type of question, ang final answer ay intermediate acting. Okay? But for the purpose of having the old version of the notes, oxazepam can be a short acting here as far as the question is concerned. It's either B or C. Clear? Pero next time, it's intermediate acting. Okay? Ayan. So that concludes, guys, part 1 ng exam. So for verification, sa part 1, meron tayong 3 corrections. Please confirm. Number 2, letter A. Number 47, letter A. 79, B or C. Okay na po ang part 1. Okay na ba ang tama ba yung mga corrections na aking nabanggit? Yan. Moving on, let's have part 2. Ayan. So sa part 2, share ko lang yung screen ulit. Ayan. As you can see, this is entitled Pharmacology Part 2 Examination. Okay, so let's start. So everyone, please chat ulit if meron kayong concern sa mga questions or sa item. And then if wala naman, you may simply react heart ulit or any emojis. 1 to 6 or 1 to 7 rather. Okay na po? Niliitan ko yung screen kasi hindi ako masyado sanay sa Google, sa Google Meet. Sa Zoom ako mas sanay. Yan. Next, 7 to 12. 7 to 12. Na-discuss ba natin yung mga ito? Okay, so next, number 13 to 15. 13 is letter B, by the way. Yan. 13 is B. And then until 18. Next, number 19 to 24. No concerns po. Can we proceed sa 25 onwards? Sige. Next. 25, 20. 25 is boy. Dog, sorry, dog. Prednisone. Next. Number 26 to 30. 26 to 30. 26 to 30. So, if ever, you may react heart if tapos na po. Ayan. Done. Okay, next. 31 to 36. Uy, baka naman react laki na react ng heart. Okay, okay ba? Okay na ba? Sure kayo? Sige. Next. Mag-react nga rin ng heart, yung sure nag-graduate. Sure na ba yan? Magkikita tayo sa Cebu soon. Pag ba nakagraduate kayo ngayon, kunyari, for November board exam na rin kayo? Okay. So if magma-manor kayo, hindi ko alam kung nabanggit ko sa lecture ko, pero nagtuturo ako sa manor. So if sa manor kayo mag-enroll or nakapag-enroll na kayo, we'll see each other. And don't worry, I still have a lot to share sa table. Marami pa tayong ihahain sa table. Baka akala nyo yan na lahat ng pharmacology. Tip of an iceberg pa lang siya. Even when you ask Sir Georgie, Ma'am, nasanay ako kay Ma'am Pataling Huge. Nasanay ako kayo na ganun yung tawag ko. Yun. Chali nga ba first name ni Ma'am? Nakalimutan ko yung first name ni Ma'am. So anyways, yun, no? Anyways, so from numbers 38 to 43, any violent reactions, you may type the number. Next, 44 to 49. And then, 50 to 56. Okay, nag-react na siguro karamihan ng heart. 57 to 62. Pwede na po sa next. Next. Remaining items. Done, everyone? Okay. And then, sa final exam tayo, final exam. Okay, so let's start. Am I presenting the same questionnaire that you received? Baka mamaya ibang set to, no? But I think it's the same. Yan. So any reactions, everyone? Any concerns na need ng clarifications? Okay, pwede na po? Okay, next. Yan. You may send your inquiries or questions pag mayroon kayong concern items. Pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa next. Okay. Next, 22 to 35. Check nyo yung mga naka-highlight, no? So, wait lang daw. Saan tayo babalik? Number. Anong number? 15. Ito yung 15. Yan, 15 to 24. Pwede na po? Okay, next. 25 onwards. Okay, next. Pwede na po? Ayan. 38 to 49. Done? Okay, next. 50 onwards. 50 to 60. Pwede na po sa 61 onwards. Okay, next. 61 to 72. Sixty-eight. Okay. Naulit to. So, number 68. Na-question ko yan sa ano, no? Exam 1. So, letter A yan. So, sa major exam, number 68, it has to be letter A. Okay, what else? Okay, next. What number is that? Okay. False statement about amobarbital. Ang amobarbital is an intermediate acting barbiturate. So usually, kapag barbiturates kasi, may 4 classifications, no? Meron tayong ultra short acting. Usually, pag ultra short acting, yan ay isang anesthetic adjunct. Like yung thiopental, thiamylal, methohexital, if you're referring on your notes. Kapag short-acting barbiturate, like pentobarbital, secohexobarbital, generally they are sedatives. Amobarbital and butabarbital, which are both intermediate acting, generally they are hypnotics, not sedatives. Okay? And then for the long-acting agents, like phenobarbital, barbital, they are anticonvulsants. Yun yung general categories ng kanilang uses. So as far as amobarbital is concerned, being an intermediate acting, it's a hypnotic rather than sedative. So the answer is letter B. Okay? Yan. Next, 71 to 79. Any concerns po? Okay, next. 80 to 90. Wala pong concern? And then, 91 to 100. Yan. Okay na? So that concludes your examinations in pharmacology. And based on your reactions, I think hindi naman kayo nahirapan, no? So, okay, masaya na ako na malaman na may natutunan kayo overall sa pharmacology, both the discussion and also the examination. May natutunan ba talaga kayo? Hmm? Ayan. So, hopefully, meron kayo natutunan sa ating subject. And again, if nakapag-enroll or mag-enroll kayo sa Manor soon, makakaasa po kayo na mas marami pa kayong matututunan sa pharmacology. Kasi usually, ako rin yung magtuturo ng pharmacology dyan at marami pang iba kayong matututunan sa review classes. No? Magugulat kayo na akala ko ito na yung lahat nung review namin sa school, mga ano lang pala, yung 1/8 ng mga diniscuss natin, no? Sa review mismo. But anyways, so thank you guys and good luck po. Rest assured that, confirm ko ulit, no? Yung mga corrections, rest assured na may endorse ito and ma-update sa inyong scores once na nag-consultation na. So sa part 1, tatlong items yon, 247.79. Major, part 2 wala. Major exam 68A. Okay? Nasa campus ba kayo lahat or wala? Nasa bahay kayo?